has gone through some of the articles in the Future of Text from last year and run a basic prompt like this. The prompt, which I'll show you in full later, is a bit of an introduction and then asking questions and saying provide it in a kind of a BibTeX thing just so it's easier to parse later. So I took that, copied that into another document, and then exported this kind of analysis document. Now I'll show you first the kind of results that I've got. I only did a few, and then I'll show you what's behind it. So first is a list of the types of articles. So under philosophical, I considered these ones to be philosophical. Of course, it's very, very important that we go through as editors and manually make sure that we agree with these things. This is not intended to be a fully automatic system. Now, if this was in the document itself, if this was in the document itself, you could select and do Command F and it would instantly take you there. If this is an XR, it could do something similar. We also went through what kind of audiences might be for the different things. It's not very useful to see it that way. It's much better to be able to see the articles like this. Then I did a fun little keyword thing, and most people and places and technologies and so on are only mentioned once, which is interesting for these. So then I did a new prompt on the people here just listed like this, asking, who are they? Categorize them by category. So we have under academia and research, miscellaneous, and they're not all perfect at all, but it does find some things like Ted Nelson under technology, miscellaneous could be a little bit more. Ivan Sutherland, of course, was a computer scientist, so why is he not under technology? I don't know, but it's a starting point maybe. And then when you use this, you should be able to use this in XR otherwise to perform an operation to see what articles mention them. So this is the prompt. It's in the PDF where you can pause here to read it. And here are examples of results. So we have title, author, keywords, and the type that we looked at, people mentioned, technologies, rating level, audience, word count, so we can maybe indicate the relative size of the articles. If there's anything unique. All of these are very much analysis by the system, but this one is quite nice. Contributors mentioned. So if one article refers to somebody who's written another article, maybe the article that is being referred to should have a link to this. So here we see the examples, including extracting references where available. And here are the straight results. You can see here the type and the names, just like this, how many times mentioned. So that's basic. And the audiences with which article suggested audiences might like. And all the different ones. And then on people, I did this prompt to get the list of what were they, who they are. So this as such is nothing, but it may be interesting if we start using categorization like this to build information spaces. Thank you for having a look, and I hope we can make this much more useful than this very, very basic text and not visual system that it is so far.